Writing articles for permanent traffic. Writing articles is possibly the best way to generate free traffic to your site. A short article, submitted to a few places, creates permanent streams of traffic. Here are some of the ways articles bring traffic to your website. 1. Click-throughs from article banks. People read your articles at an article bank and click on the link in the author's resource box. 2. Search engine traffic. Search cheap international plane tickets on Google, and sites with my article will be in the results. Wherever the article is found, readers can click through to my travel site. 3. Other websites. When my reports show a referral address I don't recognize, it's usually a website that's using one of my articles. Article submission, the basics. Submit your articles to article banks and newsletters. Article banks usually carry free distribution articles, meaning anyone can use them for a site, newsletter, or blog. They just can't change them, and they have to leave your link active. The link is in the resource box, where you say something about yourself and invite the reader to visit your website. Post an article once, and it can spread, creating permanent streams of traffic. Why permanent? Here's an example. I get search traffic for Mexico real estate on my site housesunder50,000.com because of an article I used. The author gets clicks through to her site, but I get traffic and revenue, so I'll never remove that article. The easiest article writing. Article writing isn't just for writers. Online articles are short and less formal than magazine articles anyhow, but if you really don't like writing, try a list article. This is the most popular type of article online, which is fortunate, because it's also the easiest type to write. For a site about making money on eBay, you could write an article titled The Top 10 Sellers on eBay. A short introduction, a list with a sentence or two about each item, a bit about yourself and a link to your site, and you're done. Write 6 mistakes people make on eBay, and we need to read that to avoid the mistakes, right? Some article banks charge fees, but there are many that are free. There are also more ways to generate traffic with your articles. That's this article's tease to get you to the site.
For more content like this, please visit learnforfree.biz.
Content produced and distributed by All Super Info. All rights reserved.